Hello folks, in this tutorial I will show you how to configure Rank Math WordPress plugin. So to do this we need to at first go to dashboard and then from plugins click add new and then search Rank Math. Now we can see this is the plugin by Rank Math. So click install now and click activate. And we can see our plugin is activated. So and we can see here is a new menu which is Rank Math. From here go to dashboard. This is the dashboard overview. So you can turn on and off particular settings from this area like 404 monitor. So this mainly record the URL on which visitors and search engine run into 404 errors. So you can this is for advanced custom fields and this one is for AMP. So we can configure from here, and there is a setup widgets. We can also take help from these setup wizard. So click this setup wizard and then now we can see this is the setup widget. So here is a three options which is easy and advanced option is by default selected. So we choose this one and then click start widget, and then your sites panel we can see some option like what about this site. So you can choose whatever your site is like this site is personal blog, so by default it's choose personal blog. If your site is community blog or news sites, you can choose it, and then you can find the rest of the information from here. So I choose personal blog, and then this is the website name, and you can place an alternate version of your site name. So here is the person or organization name, and this is for logo, uh, which already take this rank math from our site's logo. This is basically a demo logo. So okay, so click save and continue, and in analytics sections we can connect with rank math account. So benefits of connecting Rank Math account. So verify site ownership on Google Search Console in a single click. So track page and keyword ranking with the advanced analytics module and rest of some other settings. So we can connect with our Rank Math account. So click connect, and then there is some options. You can use email and passwords or Facebook, Google and WordPress. So I choose Google, and then click our email address and then click activate now, and then click again. Now we can see Rank Math SEO already has some access, which is 7 service. You can click and check all of them from here to verify, and then click done and can click continue. And then save and continue. And this is for sitemap. So sitemap settings. So by default, it's sitemaps is an XML sitemaps is enabled. So here is a include images and public post and pages and categories. If you want to mm, exclude categories from your sitemap URL, you can uncheck this category field. So I keep it uh, check and then click save and continue. And here is a no index empty category and meta and tag archives. So you can open external links in new tab or window. I keep it on. So you can customize based on your needs. So and then click save and continue. And now your site is ready, so we can go back to the return to the dashboards, or you can also make some change with set up advanced options. So we just ignore it and then go back to the return dashboards. And from here, this is our dashboard, and you can turn module from one by one and check which based on your needs. And from in analytics, you can find some your site's informations, which is grab rank math from your search console. So you can find your search impression, total keyword, average CTR, and search click. And this is for overall optimizations. And this is for site analytics, your score, fair score, poor score, and no data. And SEO performance, for you can find your overall SEO performance from these sections. And you can check your top three keywords from here. You can 4 to 10 positions from here, and rest of other things. So these options, rank tracker option is for rank math pro user. So and then in general settings, so this stripe category base from basically our category URL looks like this one, like domain.com, your domain.com slash category slash my category. And if you turn this on, our category look like example.com slash my category. Okay, if you want to remove this category from URL, a category URL, so you can turn this on. So I keep it off, and this is for redirect attachment. uh, and if you want to enable breadcrumbs, you can add this code files to display breadcrumbs. So use the following code in your theme template, this one or this short code. So this for connect Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tool and Bide Webmaster Tool as well. And you can edit your robot.txt file from here, as well as htaccess file. You can edit your htaccess file from these settings. So and this is for table of content. I'll show you later this one. And titles and meta. So this is for global meta settings, which is robots meta index, and then no index empty category and tag archive separator sign, which is this one. You can choose anything what you like. You can see this is the current post title, then this sign, and then our domain name. So if you want to capitalize title, you can choose this one, enable this one. So And then if you want to optimize your sites for local SEO, so you can configure based on these. So you can configure your homepage from these here, and then for single post you can optimize your single post title from here. By default it look like this one, so if you want to add something here, you can click this signs, and then you can find some options. You can choose this, like if you want to add year, month, or year, you can see month, current month. If you want to add current month, you can I want to add current month here. I keep my cursor here and then search month and then click current month. I cut this and then paste it here, and you can see December is here. And then if you want, you can also add year as well, so current year, so you can add this as well. If you wish, you can add this. So by default it will add in end of the your post title for every post, and it will update for currently this month is December, so which is December 2022. So and for the next month it will update automatically based on current month. So single post descriptions automatically it will by accept, so you can change these as well. So you can find all of the code here. You can choose based on your preference. And schema type, by default selected is article. You can choose rest of the schema type from here as well. So and from these sitemap settings, we can see this is the default sitemap, and we can see here is a post sitemap which is already we selected, and then page sitemap and category sitemap. You want to configure these we want to like we can see in category sitemap, which is already included in these XML sitemap. If we want to exclude these from here, you can turn off these settings and save change. Currently three sitemaps, which is one is for post, one is for page and category. So I refresh this. Now we can see this category sitemap is gone from site XML sitemap. So we can customize our sitemap settings from here. So this is for XML sitemap. Another new thing is HTML sitemap. We can configure our HTML sitemap from here as well. Like this is the short code, so we can copy this and sort by publish date, modified date, alphabetic, or post ID, and then item title. We can choose item title or SEO title. So I'll choose you how this works. So from I create a new post. Okay, and I already copy the short code, and then from here I choose it HTML sitemap, and then in here I paste the shortcode which I grab from here and publish it. And now if you want check this, we can see all of our post and page and category. So we can also configure currently a publish date is show in here. If you want to hide this, we can turn this off and then save change. Now you can see our only it's show the title, and we can sort by alphabetic, like now if you says, you can see this our post and pages are updated, sorted by alphabetic way. And then another things is instant indexing, which is for index now. So I will create another video for this task. And for SEO analytics, so we can check our SEO analytics for whole site start wide analysis. We can analyze our site from here. So you can check overall score from here, and you can here is a failed test, which is you can h1 heading too many h1 heading text from this URL you can configure from one by one. So one more thing I want to show you, which is from, if I go to post and then blog, if I want to add table of content, we can use Rank Math. So like from edit post, like if I want to add table of content in here, just click add block and then search table. So this block table of content by Rank Math. So click on this and we can see table of content is enabled. So you can configure this based on your needs. By default this heading is H2, so I prefer P and then make it bold from here, and these headings which is our H2 is in here. Three headings is added in table of content. So if you select this block, like this table of content, and you can in the right panel you can see in block sections you can add h1 h2. Okay, so you can update based on your needs. So okay guys, we go back to the our dashboard and then Rank Math, and I hope you already cover everything from here. And if you wish you can configure your particular SEO settings for particular post. Like if you edit any particular post and then you can see this panel is for Rank Math. If you click here, this is for focus keyword, so you can we can paste our focus keyword in here. So now you can see our score is improved. Then Rank Math also suggests some of give us some suggestion, which is focus keyword not found in your SEO meta descriptions, like here. So you can add our meta description based on our focus keyword. And then focus keyword doesn't appear at the beginning of your content, which is this first paragraph, so we can also optimize our first paragraph. So they also indicates some additional error, which is focus keyword not found in subheading like S2 S3. So I hope these suggestions also help us to improve our overall site content, so we can take some of their suggestions, and you can see content readability score is good. So guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it useful. So thank you.